Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how we can zip or unzip a folder or multiple folders and files using the terminal. So firstly I will go to my desktop in the terminal. So currently I am in the desktop. So if I open my desktop using the finder, I need to zip these two text files including this hello folder. That means I have multiple files and folders. So to go ahead, I can say the command zip. After that, we have to provide the zip file name that we need. For example, I need new zip, and we have to provide the extension like .zip. Then we can enter folders and file names. I can say extra.txt, that was a text file, and I have today.txt. And finally, I have the folder hello. Okay. Before I'm going to execute this command, let me go ahead and show you my hello folder. There are two text files. But if we execute this and check my desktop, I should be able to see the new zip file called new zip. So I can extract that. Okay, after extracting that, in the new zip folder, in the hello folder, I can see nothing. Let me go ahead and show you what I can do. Because in the original folder, in the hello, we got two text files. I'm going to delete these two zip file and the extracted folder called new zip. Then run with -r. If you use this -r modifier, you will mention that you have to take all subdirectories in these folders that we provided. Now I can go ahead and create new zip. Extension is .zip, and same files and folder. I can copy that and paste that here. Now let's execute that. Okay. Now we can see it is showing us it is adding hello folder and it is contents. These are files available in the hello folder, and we got these files too. Now we can check my zip called new zip. In the new zip folder, I got hello folder. In the hello folder, I have example.txt and my txt file.txt. Alright, now we are going to see how we can extract a zip file using the terminal. Such a easy thing we had to do. I'm going to delete this for now. Then in the terminal, we can type the command unzip and the zip file name. It is newzip.zip. Now it is asking us to replace current available files. Extra.txt file is currently available. So I'm going to delete these, including the folder. Actually, we can just press yes here without deleting. Type Y to confirm or no. Letter N to dismiss that. Okay. Y. Now, if we check my desktop, I got the hello folder and all files. Now, let's say we need to zip a one folder, including its files and subdirectories. For that, we can use the same thing, zip -r, to say include subdirectories and files in a folder, and we have to specify the zip file we need. For example, hello.zip and the folder name, which is hello. If you got a space in the folder name, for example, I'm going to say hello space world. Now if we run this one, this is wrong. It will end up with an error. name not match hello world. So to do that, we have to say, let me clear this one, zip-r, the zip file name and the folder name, hello space. To specify the space, we can put backslash then space. The next one is world. Folder name is hello space world. Now we can enter. Now we should be able to see the new zip file and it is content should be there. Okay. Alright. I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.